Hi everyone, we are Team Being ACCA and in this video we'll be talking about our recent test series for December 2024 attempt. And this is a test series that we have been doing from last 1.5 plus years, and we'll be briefing you about all the papers that we do this for and all of the services that we provide in this test series. So let's begin with firstly PM, FM and AFM, which is taken by Tushita Gupta.
Alright, so basically, first of all, the reset test series as a whole is for resetters. As the name suggests, these are, these test series are for the ones who were unfortunately not able to succeed in the previous attempt and now they are appearing for the same exam again. So if you are such a student, then this test series is, is going to be a boon for you. So now talking about the paper specific specifications, firstly talking about PM and FM. So it's a set of 6 topic wise tests. These are the main syllabus areas that are there in PM and FM exams. So tests have been based out of that. These will be covering section A, section B, section C, all the sections of your paper, and you will be practicing. You will be first learning the concepts, practicing them, and then attempting these exams. So then once you get your checked copies, you're going to know exactly where you're going wrong, what's the improvement areas that you need to work upon. So it's going to help you to prepare better for your research attempt. Now after the 6 tests are done, you will also be provided with one final mock exam. So usually we take up the ACCA exam that's released officially by them. So that's about the evaluation and 6 topic wise tests plus the one final mock exam. Now you also get the WhatsApp support along with that. As soon as you enroll, you will be getting the QR code to join our WhatsApp group. So it's a dedicated group where I will be resolving your queries. It's a peer group. You can resolve your queries among yourselves also. So this is how this works. Now coming to AFM, also mentioning about PM and FM, these are questions which I have prepared myself. These are questions which you will not be finding anywhere else. These are prepared by me looking at the exam pattern. So it bases the ACCA exam pattern, but again these are questions that you will not find anywhere else. Now coming to AFM, it's a series of 5 main topic wise tests. A very big disclaimer over here that these are not questions which you will be which are prepared by me. These are the questions which I have handpicked myself from the past papers or from the important questions. So please after enrolling, do not come to us and say that these questions I'm able to find there also. I'm telling you in advance that these are questions which are available in the kits or past papers. So the primary agenda is for you to attempt the questions and get them evaluated from someone, just so you know where you're going wrong. So these are 5 topic wise tests and one final mock is again included in that. So this is how the AFM test series is going to work. WhatsApp support and everything remains the same as PM and FM. And this time around, we also are happy to announce that we are going to hold all of the test series over our portal. So we have got a learning management system in place so that it facilitates all of us to prepare better. You will be able to upload your submissions over there. We will be able to review your submissions and then send it back to you over the same portal. So it becomes a little bit easier for us to communicate and for you also to navigate through it. And don't worry, either the videos as to how you have to use the portal are already out, or they will be out shortly when you see this video.
Yeah. So now let's talk about our AA and AAA test series, which will be taken up by me. And again, same sequence we will be following. We'll be having 6 topic-wise tests in AA also, followed by the mock evaluation. As we said, that it will be mainly the pre-December mock which will be evaluated. But if if you're taking classes from somewhere and they are already evaluating that, do not worry about that. I can also evaluate some other mock which you will be submitting to me. So again, AA now, because AA has 2 major sections. You have section A, you have section B. So you have 6 topic wise tests for section B specifically, because in AA we require main typing practice, understanding of section B only, because this is a subjective area wherein you might not be able to understand whether you're writing your answers correctly or no. So section B, you will be having 6 topic wise tests. The schedule and everything related to that, the link will be there in the description of the YouTube video, so you can check the schedule out also and all of the details as well. And then we will be having 3 MCQ tests, which is your section A test. There is no schedule for section A. I will be randomly giving you, I will be randomly opening the section A test anytime when we are preparing, so that it's like a surprise for you when you simultaneously prepare for it and you get to know your mistakes, everything like on those lines. Now talking about the questions, as we mentioned that again the same pattern, that the questions will not be new. Might be a scenario wherein you have not seen those questions before, because I have taken those questions from a previous paper, because now that's not available, so you won't be able to see that. So these will be combination of your past papers, kits, pre September or pre-June mock maybe. So just like a disclaimer that these are not new questions, because here in audit we do not see the question, we need to see how you are writing your answers. Absolutely. And how are you explaining your answer. So that's the major thing that we see over here, not about the questions, because we don't have any numericals over here, right? So that's that. And again, the evaluation process remains the same. We have our own website now, and you can enroll through the website only, and you will be getting the access of once you enroll through the website, through the portal, and everything, all the tests, all the section A test, section B test, and the WhatsApp support of the QR will be available over the portal only. Plus for AAA, we will be having 5 topic wise tests again, and 1 December mock evaluation, and the evaluation process remains the same. So this is how we do that. We conduct the test series, plus in the test series we also provide you voice note feedback for some of the areas wherein we think that you are majorly lagging, and the evaluation will be provided over the portal one. And if we feel that you need our guidance, and if we feel that you are majorly lagging in some topic, then we will also be sharing few voice notes over WhatsApp so that you understand them better. So this is all about our test series, and the link, everything will be there in the link, the description. You can check that out.
And if you still have any queries, we are always available at Being ACCA. We also have now our business numbers. These will also be there in the link in the description. So you'll be able to reach us out, and we'll be happy to help you with all your queries. Thank you for watching.